Ever wondered if you can build a successful dropshipping business from scratch? Well, today I'm taking on the challenge of creating my very own dropshipping empire, and I'm bringing you along for the journey. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Channel Name. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start an online store without holding any inventory, yet it's not as simple as it might seem. In this video, I'll break down the entire process, bust some common myths, and share key strategies to help you succeed. So, if you're ready to embark on your own online business adventure, stick around till the end. Dropshipping is a business model that lets you sell products online while avoiding the hassles of stocking or managing inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them, sparing you the need for a warehouse or upfront investment in stock. However, it does come with its own set of challenges, which we will explore next. A lot of people think dropshipping is a get-rich-quick scheme. Simply set up a store and watch the money pour in. This belief couldn't be more misleading. With the allure of easy profits, many find themselves beaten down by the realities of the business. Some of the significant challenges dropshippers encounter include finding reliable suppliers who deliver quality products and fast shipping, facing fierce competition, managing customer service issues when they don't control shipping, and struggling to market effectively and attract customers. But don't worry, we'll discuss how to navigate these hurdles. To kickstart your dropshipping journey, first, begin with market research. Choose a niche with demand and low competition, utilizing tools like Google Trends and AliExpress to help identify trending products. Next, scavenge for suppliers on platforms like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping, ensuring they provide quality products and quick delivery. Following that, create an appealing storefront using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Make sure your website looks professional and is optimized for conversions. Lastly, no customers equal no sales, so blast your marketing and traffic generation efforts into high gear. Utilize social media, influencer marketing, and Facebook ads to lure customers to your virtual store. Once your business is up and running, consider implementing automation tools to free up your valuable time and scale your operation. Essential tools such as Oberlo or DSers can help with order and inventory management, while Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics assist with ad optimization. Finally, integrate email marketing tools like Klaviyo or MailChimp to nurture leads and turn them into repeat customers. By automating various tasks, you'll have more time to focus on the strategic growth of your dropshipping business. In conclusion, dropshipping isn't just a cakewalk. It demands strategy, diligence, and the right tools. But with persistence and the knowledge you've gained today, you can carve out your place in the thriving world of e-commerce. Ready to take the plunge? Let's build that dropshipping empire together.